Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here to share with you my project for Christmas All Year Collaboration 2025. This is a year-long collaboration where I am hosting and we come on every second Sunday of the month at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we share with all of you what we have created for Christmas. The whole objective for this collaboration is to get a jump start on your Christmas crafting. So when that time rolls around, we will be sitting back, sipping cocoa, and enjoying our family and friends, and all of our Christmas projects will be complete. If you would like to participate in this collaboration, all you have to do is share your Christmas project and use the hashtag. I will leave the hashtag in the screen. So that's all you have to do so that I can find your video. Make sure you check down in the description box below and check out all the other ladies' videos and see what they have created for your inspiration. Don't forget to like the video, you guys, to help support my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And I'm on Instagram, ScrapPassion01. Please follow me over there as well. So let's get started, you guys. I don't want to hold you long. And let me share with you what I have created. Pulled out these boxes from my stash that I ordered from Amazon. You can see right here what the box looks like. So it's a really good size box. I love gift bags. So I am a box and gift bag type of a girl. I love things like that. And sometimes I like to just switch things up, change them to my liking. So what I'm getting ready to show is a gift bag that I had in my stash that I wanted to use as a box instead. So let me share that video with you. You guys are going to be amazed at how I transformed that one gift bag into two gift boxes. So let me share with you how the first box turned out. And this is how my box turned out, my gift box. Isn't this so cute? I love how it turned out. I kept it very, very simple because I wanted to just showcase the sweet shop, just the image from the gift bag. So I didn't do anything else but add this ribbon, and I had to add some Christmas bells. And that is it. That is all I added. So this is the first one. And let me share with you the second one. I'm going to open up the second one. So I didn't put the Christmas bell on the second one so that I can open it up and share with you what it looks like in the inside. I hope you can see it okay. But isn't this cute, you guys? So this is how the first one turned out. And let me get the second one out. And this is the second gift box. So this is a gift bag transformed into a gift box. Right here is the tag that was on that gift bag. Isn't that beautiful? And I can still go back in and add a sentiment or something to it. But I just wanted to share with you how to use the bag in its entirety. Even take off the tag and add it to whatever project you're transforming it into. So let me take all of this off, and I'm going to open the gift box and let you see it. So let me open it, and this is what it looks like inside. A lot of space. And so here's the window of that gift box, and I kept it clean, you guys. I basically added my glue on the edges and not in the center because I knew that it had, and I could have covered that, but I didn't want to cover that opening. But as you can see here, there is a lot of space inside. This will be cute to house like some gift lotion or something like that would be really cute. This is my gift bags transformed into beautiful gift boxes. So the next time you see a gift bag, look at it in a different way because you can use it and transform it into anything you like. That's my share today, you guys. I hope it has inspired you. Make sure you check out the other ladies. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.